Hi, my name is Billy Early, and today I wanted to explain how the updated Colorado Warrant of Habitability law affects landlords. Here are 4 key changes you should know about. Number 1, broader definition of habitability. The law now covers more conditions outside of normal habitability concerns like mold, fire, and heating issues. It now includes air conditioning, pest infestation, electrical issues, and much more. As a landlord, you are required to address these issues promptly to ensure your rental remains livable. Number 2, stricter repair timelines. Landlords now have a shorter window to fix certain problems. For example, serious issues must be resolved in 7 days, while an issue that affects the habitability of the property, but to a lesser degree, needs to be resolved within 14 days. Failure to meet these deadlines could result in tenant complaints or legal action. Within 24 hours, you need to have a plan of action for that resident. You need to let them know if they have options when it comes to accommodations like a hotel, space heaters, portable air conditioners, rent credits, etc. Additionally, and with the updated law, the resident can put in a request at 10 p.m. on New Year's Eve, and that starts the clock. That's a big concern because obviously we're not checking everything right away, but we have 24 hours at that point to start the process. They can also leave a request on any platform they want, whether it's voicemail, email, telling you in person. Maybe they submitted the work order and your staff just did not see that. It's something that you're responsible for, and the clock does start at that point. So just remember that, and requiring residents to submit these habitability issues in writing now is no longer. So that's one piece to it. You can't require that. You can't require that in your lease. That voicemail does matter. Number 3, increased financial responsibility. Under the new law, landlords must bear the full cost of repairs and the full cost of accommodations while the repairs are happening. This means you cannot pass the repair cost onto the tenants, which includes the hotel bill if that is what is needed at that time. Even for the larger issues like mold remediation, something to think about. You have to take care of that entire cost. It's important to budget for these potential costs to stay compliant. It is also wise to think about preventative maintenance at this time. Are you servicing your furnace? Do you need to replace your old water heater? Are we getting into the dead of winter when that goes out and you know you're taking that family vacation? You need to be prepared for that emergency to come up. Number 4, stronger enforcement and penalties. The updated law gives tenants more power to take legal action if repairs aren't made within a specific time frame, or if the landlord does not comply with immediate needs of the tenant. This includes withholding rent or pursuing legal remedies. Landlords who don't comply could face high fines or legal penalties. In summary, the new Warrant of Habitability law creates more obligations for the landlord. Staying informed and proactive is essential to avoid costly penalties and ensure you're providing a safe and habitable property for your tenant. Thank you for listening.